If AutoCAD is showing error 3050, don't worry. This usually means AutoCAD thinks the drawing is locked or Windows is blocking it from creating the temporary lock files it needs. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to work without guessing. And if this tutorial helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more AutoCAD fixes and easy software guides. Let's start with the most common cause, ghost lock files. AutoCAD creates small hidden lock files to stop two people from editing the same drawing at the same time. But if AutoCAD crashes, closes unexpectedly, or your computer shuts down while the file is open, those lock files can get stuck behind and cause error 3050. First, close AutoCAD completely. Then, open the folder where your drawing is saved. Look carefully for files with the same name as your drawing, but ending in .dwl or .dwl2. These are the lock files. If you see them and you know nobody else is actively using the drawing, delete them. After that, try opening the file again. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is folder permissions. Sometimes AutoCAD can open the file, but it cannot write the temporary lock file because the folder is restricted. To fix that, right-click the folder where the drawing is stored and go to Properties. Open the Security tab and make sure your user account has full control. If it does not, that folder may be blocking AutoCAD from saving the temporary data it needs. Now let's try another quick fix. Run AutoCAD as Administrator. Right-click the AutoCAD icon and choose Run as Administrator. This gives AutoCAD higher permissions and often solves access denied issues, especially if the file is on a protected system folder, shared location, or network drive. If you still see the problem, clear out your temporary files. Press Windows plus R, type %temp% and press Enter. This opens your temp folder. Select the files inside and delete what you can. If some files are currently in use, skip those and continue. A cluttered temp folder can sometimes interfere with normal file operations and trigger strange lock-related errors. Next, check the drawing file itself. Right-click the AutoCAD file, choose Properties, and make sure the read-only box is not checked. If the file is set to read-only, AutoCAD may not be able to write changes or create the files it needs during opening and saving. Unchecking that option can immediately resolve the issue in some cases. If the drawing is on a network location, external drive, or shared folder, this becomes even more important. Network permissions, sync tools, and backup software can all interfere with AutoCAD's file locking system. In those cases, try copying the drawing to your desktop or another local folder and opening it from there. If it works locally, then the original location is most likely the source of the problem. At this point, you should have covered the most common causes of AutoCAD error 3050. Stale lock files, permission issues, temp folder problems, and read-only file settings. In most cases, one of these fixes will get the drawing opening normally again. If the error persists, double-check that no one else is editing the same file, especially if it is stored on a shared drive. AutoCAD uses those lock files to prevent conflicts, so another active session can also trigger the warning. Once you confirm the file is free, try the steps again in order. So to quickly recap, delete the .dwl and .dwl2 lock files, verify folder permissions, run AutoCAD as Administrator, clear the temp folder, and make sure the drawing is not read-only. Those steps solve most AutoCAD error 3050 cases safely and quickly. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more AutoCAD troubleshooting videos, and leave a comment if you want help with another error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.